Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Lisa from her Rockstar music video. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off at the top and let's draw the eyes. Let's start with two small angles going up. And then a curve up on top. Now to finish drawing the rest of the eyes, I'm going to zoom in. Underneath, let's draw a curve. And then let's add an oval inside. And then color both of them in black. Next, inside each eye, let's draw another small circle on the top left. Now top out to the ends of the eyes and let's curve it down and in. And now let's move up and let's thicken up the top line like this. And thicken up the bottom line as well. And now let's add a few eyelashes on top and bottom. Now on top of each eye, let's draw an angled line up and curve it over. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's move on top and let's draw the eyebrows. Let's draw a curve on top of each eye. Then let's bring it up from the center. And then a curve on top. And that's it for the eyebrows. Now let's move out and let's draw the shape of the face. Let's start on the sides at the same level as the eyebrows and let's angle it down and in. And then bring it down to a point for the chin. Now let's hop inside and let's draw a small curve for the nose. And then a curve up to the right for the mouth. Now that we're done the face, let's hop out and let's draw the ears. Let's draw a curve on both sides of the head. Then inside, let's draw a curve down and a bump at the bottom. And then two curves on each ear for the earrings. And that's it for the ears. Now let's move up and let's draw the hair starting with the bangs. Let's start on the top right and let's draw a curve over to the left and bring it back up. And let's draw another longer piece over in the same way. Now let's curve it down towards the ear and curve it all the way back up. Now for the right side, let's bring it down and then curve it up. And then one more line underneath down to the ear. Now let's hop up and let's draw the top of the head. On top in the center, let's draw a curve down on both sides. And now on top, let's draw the bun. We'll start with 2 bumps on top in the center. And add some curved lines inside, near the bottom. Now on both sides of the bun, let's draw some spiky pieces of hair with a small curve up and back in. And now let's add some longer pieces going down. Let's draw a long curve down on the left and curve it back up. And then a wavy piece underneath, like this. And now let's hop over to the top right and let's draw one more piece coming out from the top. And that's it for the head for now. Now let's move down and draw the body. Underneath the head, let's start by drawing 2 curves down for the neck. And then let's curve it out for the shoulders. Now let's leave a gap and let's draw 2 curves going in. And then curve it back out. Next inside, let's start underneath the neck and let's draw 2 curves down for the sides of the jacket. And then a point on both sides for the collar. Now in the center here, let's draw her star shirt. From underneath the neck, let's draw 2 angles down. And then continue both of them all the way down to the waist. Now near the top here, let's draw a line across. And then angle it down to each corner like this to form a star shape. Now next to the star here, let's draw one more line going out on both sides. Then let's hop down and let's draw the belly button with a curve down and bring it up at the bottom. Now let's hop to the sides and let's add the arms. From the shoulders, let's angle it down and out. And then bring it back in. Now let's do the same bent line inside like this. And then close off the end of each sleeve with a curve. And then one more curve inside at the ends. Now before we draw the hands, let's move back in and let's draw the hips. We'll start with a curve across for the top of the pants. Then underneath on the left, let's draw a curve down and over to the right. And then continue the right hip by bringing it down. Now underneath on the right, let's draw a curve down and back in. And then a bent line underneath. Now let's move back over to the left and let's bring the hip down and another angled curve to close off this section of the pants. Now let's hop inside this section and let's draw a line down and 2 circles next to it. Now let's add another layer to the pants underneath on the left. Let's bring it down and curve it back in. And then one more underneath. Now that we're done the top part of the pants, let's move back out and let's finish drawing the hands. Underneath the sleeve, let's draw an angle down to the waist. And then an angle underneath. Now for the fingers, let's curve it out and back in. And then one more curve on top. And that's it for the hands. Now let's move back down and finish drawing the pants. Underneath on both sides, let's draw an angle down and bring it in. And then 2 curves down in the center. Now let's move in and let's draw a bent line. And then a bent line from the outside as well. And then close off the bottom of each leg. Now underneath, let's draw a set of lines down, and then close it off with a curve again. Now underneath for the shoes, let's draw a curve down for the heels, and then bring it out and down for the tops of the shoes. And then close off the bottom. Now inside each foot, let's draw another curve at the bottom. And then a curve across the center, and then bring it down. And then add some lines for the laces. And that's it for the body. Lastly, let's move back up and let's finish drawing the hair behind her head. Let's start underneath the ears and let's draw a wavy piece down. And then another wavy line down, meeting at a point. And now let's draw another piece next to it, bringing it behind the arms. And then one more set of wavy curves, bringing it behind the arms all the way down to the hips. And that's it for Rockstar Lisa. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!